Okay, come on in and take a seat. Let's get started. Sit anyway. Pass, speak, succeed. Eiken Pre-2 vocabulary for real speaking.
Most Eiken Pre-2 students answer questions like this. I work part-time. Money. Or, part-time job is good. These answers are not completely wrong, but they are too weak, and that's why students lose points on the speaking test. Pause the video and download today's worksheet. You will need it to practice the speaking patterns correctly. Watching only is not enough.
In this lesson, I'll show you how to talk about part-time jobs using adult vocabulary, clear reasons, and examples that score higher on the Eiken Pre-2 test. Vocabulary. First, let's learn the vocabulary you need. You can find the Japanese translation in the worksheet. 1. Part-time job. A job you do for a few hours a week. 2. Full-time job. A job you do all day, usually 5 days a week. 3. Hourly wage. The money you earn per hour. 4. Customer service. Helping customers politely. 5. Flexible schedule. Working hours that can change. 6. Gain experience. Learning skills by doing a job. 7. Earn money. Getting paid for your work. 8. Responsibilities. Things you must do at work. 9. Workplace. The place where you work. 10. Improve communication skills. Getting better at talking with people. These words help your answers sound more mature and clear.
Now, let's look at some common student answers. I work part-time.
Part-time job is good because money.
I like part-time job. These answers are not bad. They are too short and simple for Eiken Pre-2. Here is the pattern that fixes this problem. I think blank because blank. For example, blank. This pattern helps you explain your idea clearly.
Now, repeat after me. I think having a part-time job is important because. For example, students can. Let's upgrade a weak answer. Before, part-time job is good. After, I think having a part-time job is important because students can gain experience. For example, they can improve communication skills by helping customers. This answer is longer, clearer, and scores higher. Second example. I think part-time jobs are useful because students can earn money. For example, they can pay for their hobbies or school supplies. Speak out loud. Confidence comes from practice, not watching. On the worksheet, you will practice upgrading weak answers, using this speaking pattern, and answering real Eiken-style questions. This is the kind of practice most students never do.
If you want to pass Eiken Pre-2 and speak with confidence, download the worksheet and practice out loud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Make sure you download the worksheet. Thanks for coming. See you in the next lesson.